keep your eyes closed. We're nearly there. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes.
Look, we're as high as a Ferris wheel.
I wonder who's up there now.
Maybe Mama.
Maybe. Come on, we better get home to Doggy Go.
Mya and Dada Go certainly made the best of their trip through the park. Time to check up on Doggy Go.
Doggy Go, calm down. We're home.
Doggy Go, stop. No.
Come on, Doggy Go. Let's get you some food.
Now that Doggy Go is fed, a tired Dada and Mya can relax at last.
Well, Doggy Go looks happy now. What are you doing there, Mya?
I'm drawing a picture of everything we did today.
Wow, Mya. Oh, it's beautiful.